Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to Google Wallet. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Google Wallet and log into your Google account if you haven't. So once done, you'll get to this screen here. Now to simply add any card, all you have to do is hit on this add to wallet option here, the plus icon, which is below on your right. Click on it. And then this will pop up all the different types of options and cards that you can add to your wallet. So these options vary based on your location and your region. So based on that, select the card that you want to add. So what type of card you want. So for example, gift card, I'll choose gift card. And what type of gift card? For example, I will use Amazon here. So once I've chosen, so all I have to do now is plug in the card number and other details of the card. Similarly, if you're using any payment card or bank cards, all you have to do is plug in the details of your card details. And once everything done, all you have to do is hit on add to wallet, and that's it. Your card will be added to your Google Wallet. It's as simple as that, which can be done within a minute. Hope this information and video was helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.